Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Optimum cable box not turning on, power, reset and hardware troubleshooting. If your Optimum cable box is not turning on, the most effective fix is to perform a deep power cycle to clear system errors. If the unit completely lacks indicator lights, the issue is typically a tripped outlet, a faulty power brick, or an internal hardware failure. Fix 1. Perform a deep power discharge. Unplug the power cord from both the back of the Optimum box and the wall outlet. Wait 2 full minutes to clear the device's volatile memory and reset the firmware. Now hold the physical power button on the front panel of the box for 30 seconds while it remains unplugged. This drains all leftover electrical charges. Plug the box directly into a wall outlet, bypassing any surge protectors or power strips which may have tripped. Fix 2. Isolate the power source and hardware. Test the wall outlet by plugging in a known working device like a lamp or phone charger. Check for a GFCI. Check for a GFCI switch on your wall outlet. If you are using an outlet with a built-in reset button, press it firmly to restore localized power. Inspect the external power brick if applicable. Look for a small green or blue LED light on the adapter block. If the light is off, flickering, or the brick feels excessively hot, the power adapter is dead and needs to be replaced. Clean the authorization card if your box uses a plastic smart card. Pull the card out, wipe its gold contact chip with a dry microfiber cloth, and push it firmly back into the slot. Fix 3. Force a hardware level boot override. The 10-second override. Press and hold the physical power button on the front frame of the box for exactly 10 full seconds. This triggers a hard bypass of the standard boot loop. The dual button flush. Press and hold both the menu and power buttons on the front panel simultaneously for 5 seconds to force the firmware to refresh. Next, the pin reset. Look for a tiny pinhole labeled reset on the back or front of the unit. Insert a paper clip and hold it down for 10 seconds until the panel lights completely flash off. Let the box download a fresh configuration over the next 10 minutes. Fix 4. Diagnose ghost power unresponsive remote. Press the physical channel up button directly on the box frame. If the display panel changes or a light blinks, your box is powered on, but your remote control has unlinked or has dead batteries. Disconnect HDMI lines. Unplug the HDMI cable from the back of the box and the TV. Sudden power surges can travel to HDMI 2.1 lanes and digitally lock up port communications. Attempt to power the box on with no video lines attached to see if the front display lights up. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.